movie. Lainey, you have really cute handwriting. Is there something under here? Oh my god. This is so cute. I haven't tried this one yet. Love. It's giving sand, but it's cute though. It's immediately going in my purse. It's like Christmas. Jelly globs. Cute.